Okay, we'll get started then. Welcome to the Berkeley I4Energy Research Symposium entitled Enabling Technologies for the Next Generation of the Intelligent Energy Infrastructure. I'm going to kind of go first here to the introductory slides. We have quite a set of presentations for you this morning and throughout the day. My name is Therese Peffer. I'm the Director of the Enabling Technology Development Program at California Institute for Energy and Environment, CIEE. I'm also the Associate Director of Citrus I4Energy. And as I mentioned, we have quite a lineup here for you this morning. The morning presentations are primarily California Energy Commission funded projects through the Enabling Technology Development Program. We have the first two projects will be presented by UC Berkeley students. And then we have 6 projects from universities throughout California. We're very happy to present those to you today. And then Paul Wright will be finishing with the morning session with a retrospective of California Energy Commission funded work here at Berkeley. All of the presentations will be online afterwards. So this is being recorded. All the presentations will be about 15 minutes in length with 5 minutes for questions, and then you'll be able to contact people afterwards for further questions. The morning session is concluded. Then we have lunch. Lunch is not provided. There's plenty of places to go have a great meal just down the street on Euclid. There's a number of different restaurants there. There will be a poster session. It's set up right now. You can see that at the break as well as during the lunch period. And then at 2 o'clock, we will resume. One of the alumni of the ETD graduate students is now at Radio Thermostat of America. Nate Oda will be kicking that session off. And then we have 5 other speakers, again, research from around campus here. I want to set this research symposium a bit in context. We have been presenting annually the results from the Enabling Technology Development Program over the last decade. And so while we hope to continue, we plan to continue to have these annual events demonstrating and presenting to this research to the public, this is the last one for the Enabling Technology Development Program. This program started over a decade ago. There were 9 different research solicitations in these different areas, resulted in 24 different research contracts and over $13 million in funds awarded to universities and industry. And I'd like to call out a special thanks to 2 individuals that really made this program happen. One is Ron Hoffman. I say I caught him by surprise. Yes, it was really Ron's vision approaching the Energy Commission to really ask them to look out into the future, to fund long-term research instead of short-term research. This is in the days of before ARPA-E. And the idea was to develop, to fund research that developed disruptive and innovative technologies, looking out into the future, things that were at 1/10 the cost but 10 times the performance. So these were rather lofty goals, and I think the program shows that we did, I think, an incredible job. I also wanted to point out, say a special thanks to Gaiman Yi, who is the director of the ETD program at CIEE for over 10 years. And we dragged him out of retirement to help plan and organize the meeting today. So thanks again to Gaiman. I'm not going to steal any of Paul's thunder for the retrospective. I just want to highlight a couple things. The program has showcased a number or has had influence on a number of different areas. One with respect to thermostats on the market today, as well as things like printable batteries research. There's a number of different reports. They're all available online. But I also want to say that the other thing that I think this project has developed is human capital. So the thought leaders that have been through this program, the many graduate students that have been funded by this project, and now there are CTOs and CEOs of various companies out there. So with that, I'm going to pass this on to, pass this back to Paul and have him make the second set of introductions here.